What's up, guys? Mechanics Garage coming at you. Today we got a 2020 Kia Forte EX, and we're going to be doing the front brake pads on here. So you see we've already taken the wheel off. These lugs are a 21 millimeter, and then we've already got our wheel off, as you can see. And we're going to take a look, see what we got here. So this one's got two regular bolts on here for taking this thing off, and these are 14s. So we're going to go ahead and crack these loose, and then we're going to squeeze in on the caliper here on this side using the pad, and then we'll take a look at them and see how they look. All right, so we took the bottom bolt off here. As you can see now, it's caliper's loose after we squeeze it in. So now we're going to flip this up, take a look at our pads. As you can see, it was getting pretty close. So this inside pad here has probably got 1/4 of an inch. Outside pad's got a little bit more than that, probably about 3/8. So we definitely think they're worth changing right now. I don't think they'll last to the summer, so we're gonna go ahead and pop these out anyway. All right, so we've got the old pads off. As you can take a look, it was definitely in need. It was getting pretty close to the screamer. Probably another few miles, it probably would have started screaming. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up with a little bit of brake cleaner, put our new pads on, and do the other side. All right, guys, we've got the new pads on. We did put a little bit of anti-seize on the tips here to make sure that the pads move okay. So now all we gotta do now, flip that back down, put our bolt back in, and this side is all done. So that's pretty much it. The driver's side is gonna be the same. So go ahead and follow us at the Mechanics Garage. Check us out on Instagram at the Mechanics Garage as well. Like and subscribe. Check us out on the next one. Peace.